The nickname that people in the hill country probably know would be Dr. Doppler. Yeah. So that's the main moniker they use, especially on the radio. So, yep.
I graduated from high school in May of 1978 from Tybee, and I was in the volunteer fire department all during my high school years.
And back in the 70s too, the technology wasn't what it is, like it is today. So it was a little bit harder, I think, for people to get a grasp of what was happening. Nobody really thought this storm was going to be anything more than just here comes Amelia, a few days of rain, and then we're going to go on with business and life as normal.
So going back to 78. Okay.
1978.
We started with a tropical system in the Gulf of Mexico. It was late July. It starts slowly creeping up, reaches the hill country, and caused the Guadalupe River and all the tributaries that go into it to rise dramatically. It happened over the course of a day and a half.
What they told us was we need to evacuate all the people, all of those houses that back up to Flat Rock Lake. There was supposed to be a 14-foot wall of water that was coming down the Guadalupe River. I remember that next Saturday we went down to Center Point. We all were walking the river looking for a guy's body.
I think all in all, 17 to 18 fatalities in the hill country alone.
And I remember we went all up and down the river cleaning out all the swimming holes at the camps. And there were other people doing these same kind of things, jumping in there and whatever kind of needed to be done.
Issues that Texas will face eventually, just water conservation in general. The way the rivers drain now are different than what they were. They're just a lot more concrete, so the water runs off faster than soak into the soil like it used to. So I find the danger of flooding more of a risk than it was maybe in the 60s and 70s. You got to respect the river, period. It's a waterway, it's a source that floods. It will probably always flood to some extent.